welcome to episode 12 of Rosan's Voice. Rob was shaken from within when he said,
I know better, so I won't even try to convince you. Once you made up your mind, there's no changing it. I know that. So, do all you want with my wife, but don't harm my son.
Razor smiled with his horrific smile and said, Now, how can I turn down such an offer? An offer to kill a woman. Not just any other woman, but a murderer. Joy, joy, joy. Such a thrill, said Razor. But before he could finish, they heard a woman's voice. How could you? Yelled Rob's wife. Rob was shocked to see his wife standing before him. How did you get here? Asked Rob. I bribed a policeman to let me speak with my husband. The husband I spent half of my life saving, said Rob's wife, saddened. But before she could finish her statement, Rob intervened. Oh, Spammy! You did your duties, so what? I did my duties too, but you don't hear me whining about it. You organized Razor to kill me. Didn't you shiver when you said those words? Are you that heartless? Or you just don't have a heart? I birthed your son for heaven's sake, said Rob's wife, disheartened. You only gave me one son. One. You failed as a wife, and you deserve to die just as you killed Rosan. You are a murderer, said Rob. A policeman who rescued Rosan and Faith, after great difficulty, managed to convince Rosan to take his money to help bury Rosan's mother with the dignity she deserves. He told Rosan that she will repay him by working for him at his house, as Rosan refused to take free money. She told the policeman that she would work double shifts to repay all the money that he lended her for her mother's funeral. The good news also reached Rosan's father, who was now getting better. He was really happy to hear that her wife was going to be buried with the dignity she deserved. He too wanted to repay the policeman's favor by any means possible. Funeral preparations were made with the help of Rosan and his father to make everything perfect. Of course, they didn't forget about Rob and his family. 2 days after the funeral, Rosan was to appear in court with Rob and his family. The policeman who rescued Rosan and Faith helped Rosan in finding the lawyer that will be able to represent her for free in court. Rosan did her best in avoiding the court date that was getting nearer and nearer. She placed all her focus in her mother's funeral. She wrote a heartfelt poem in her mother tongue, of which she will be reciting the day she will be bidding farewell to her mother for the last time. Whenever she became weak, she remembered her mother's last words. Will Razor kill Rob's wife? Will Razor give up on killing Rosan's father? What has Rosan written in her poem? Find out in the next episode of Rosan's Voice.